Phiestina built-in dual-zone wine and beverage cooler with stainless steel French door. The Phiestina built-in dual-zone wine and beverage cooler with stainless steel French door is perfect if you're looking for something else as compared to the more traditional designs and features offered by under-counter refrigerator options. This refrigerator is unique and looks really great. It can be installed underneath your counter in the place of a cupboard, or you can use it on top of your counter instead. It can serve as a freestanding refrigerator in addition to being a built-in under-counter refrigerator option. This fridge has two separate compartments, each with its own thermostat and temperature regulator features. The one side was specifically prepared to keep cans cold, while the other side is designed in a way ideal for keeping wine bottles cold. There's a total of 13 shelves in the refrigerator that can all be removed to customize the space, in case that you want to store larger contents. The product is great for personal use at home and provides an adequate feature for use in an office space as well.